Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 13.1 question number 1. Following are the car parking charges near a railway station up to 4 hours rupees 60, 8 hours rupees 100, up to 12 hours it is 140 rupees and up to 24 hours rupees 180. Check if the parking charges are in direct proportion to the parking time. Here we have taken number of hours 4, 8, 12, 24 and parking charges is 60, 100, 140 and 180. Let us check whether they are in direct proportion or not. The ratio of parking charges, 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 the ratio of parking charges in rupees, ratio of parking in rupees to the respective number of hours, to the respective number, to the respective numbers, to the respective number of years, respective number of hours, can be calculated as follows, can be calculated as follows. That is 60 by 4, 60 by 4, and that is we are getting 15. Next one is 100 by 8, 100 by 8. If we divide by 4, that is 4 to the 8 and 425 is 100. It is 2. That is we are getting 25 by 2, 25 by 2. The next one is 140 by 12, 140 by 12. If we divide it by 4, that is 4 3 is 12. Here is 4 3 is 12, 30 40 20, 5 4 5 is 20, that is 35 by 3. We are getting 35 by 3, 35 by 3. The next one is 180 by 24, 180 by 24, 180 by 24. If we divide by 12, 12 2 is 24 and 12 1 is 12, 60, 5 12 is 60. That is we are getting 15 by 2, 15 by 2. Here you see all the ratios are not same, therefore they are not in direct proportion, right? As each ratio is not the same. Here you see the ratio is 15, this ratio is 25 by 2, this ratio is 35 by 3 and this ratio is 15 by 2. As each ratio is not the same, as each ratio is not the same, as each ratio is not the same, therefore they are not in direct proportion. Hence they are not in direct proportion. They are not in direct proportion. Not in direct proportion. Not in direct proportion. Not in direct proportion. Not in direct proportion, right? This is a solution of question number 1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.